back with another video. I am making another unit and I'm doing like this ombre, spicy, Cajun. I think I'm just using the words that's on the door bottle, but it's like this really nice burgundy orange type of ombre look that I'm going for. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys how I bleach my bundles and my frontals and the knots and dye the hair. So this is gonna be fun. Yeah, so we're just gonna get like right into this joint. I don't know if you guys seen my last water dye method video, but if not, I'm going to link it right here so that way you guys can watch that first before you watch this. But if you've seen it already, then you already know that that was my first time doing the water dye method. And halfway, like throughout the entire video, I didn't know what I was doing. I was just kind of like going with the flow of going with like what I knew or thought made sense. But believe it or not, the wig came out so pretty. It just came out so pretty. I wish I still had it, but it was like so cute. So for this video, I'm going to be doing the same thing, but instead I'm going to be taking you guys' suggestions and like the comments that you left down below in that video, and I'm going to apply it to this video. This time I'm not doing it on blonde hair, I'm doing it on dark hair, so I have to bleach the hair first. So this is going to be very exciting. Yeah, so like you guys can like learn from my mistakes, or you know what I'm saying, well, whatever. So I'm going to be using the Kendra's Boutique hair. This isn't my hair, this is someone else's hair. They gave it to me to dye and make their wig. So she gave me two bundles. It's two bundles of 14 inches of straight hair. It looks like straight natural hair. And then a frontal. This looks like it's about 14 to 16 inches, I'm not sure. So we got a lot to do today. We have to bleach these knots as well, because these knots are not bleached, and we have to bleach the hair and dye the hair. So without further ado, so first I am going to leave this. Should I leave this for last, or should I do this first? Yeah, I'm supposed to be over here knowing what I'm doing. I'm over here asking y'all questions again. Okay, so the two dyes that I have, Cajun Spice and the Paprika, most likely I'm going to mix the two together, but I'm not really sure. I think the Cajun Spice might be the color that I'm looking for, but I'm going to do a little test trial first. Let's do a test trial first of like some hair, and I'm going to see like what color the hair comes out to be. Give me 1 second.
Please leave a message after the tone. Yes, this is Ricky Atwood with Anthony Super Plus. I'd like to be calling you back at 276 area code 655. Thank you very much. Bye.
I don't know what the hell that was. But moving on, we're going to do a test trial to see like basically. So I think it's best, because last time I didn't do this, and that's why I was kind of confused when I was dyeing my hair. I was like, why is this this color? But we're gonna do a little test trial. I got me like a little plastic cup and a spoon, and I put some hot water from my water machine or whatnot. And I'm going to put I think I'm gonna start first with matter of fact, I'm just gonna mix it too. I'm just gonna go with my instant and mix it too and see what it looks like. So I'm gonna take the paprika, and I'm gonna take the Cajun Spice. I'm gonna pour like just a little bit into the hot water. This isn't even half the cup, so I'm just gonna pour just a little bit of each in there. Equally yolked. We're gonna make it equally yolked. Right? Okay, cool. I think that should be enough. So I'm gonna mix it. This water is like really hot, by the way. In my last video, I wasn't sure if I was supposed to boil the water or just use hot water from the sink. I'm just gonna go with majority rule. Majority rule for boiling the water. They say it works better. So, darn, is my battery dying? Hold on, let me go do my other battery. Bitch, why is the camera upside down? You know what, whatever, it's cool. So, I just go ahead and mix the colors together. I'm going to take this, I have like leftover blonde hair from a while ago. I want to just take it, I'm going to cut it just in case this doesn't come out the way I want it to be. I have some extra hair to just like play around with. And I'm going to take the hair and I'm going to put it in the cup, right? And I'm going to just get the dye all over the hair just to see like what the color looks like. I'm not gonna leave it in long. I just want to see what it looks like first, and then if I need to leave it in longer, if it's not like the color that I'm looking for, then I'll put it in and see like if it. You guys see what I'm saying? This is like a really good way to test to see like before you dye the hair if this is the color that you're looking for. So this is looking a little bit too like red or like burgundy. I know when it dries the color will be different. So like when the hair is wet, don't really go based off of if when the hair is wet like the color that it looks, because it'll be different. I think it'll actually get brighter. But this is more of like a reddish type of tint, and that's not the color that I'm going for. So I'm going to take this out and I'm going to just use the straight Cajun Spice, because maybe like that's the color that I'm looking for. Because I think the paprika probably made it just look more like on the red side, and I'm not going for red. I'm kind of going for like a burnt orange or whatever. I think we're gonna go with the Cajun Spice, but we're just gonna let these two little textures dry. So by the time we're done bleaching the hair, we'll be able to see like the true colors of the two. I'm gonna change the angle of all of this so that way you can see like exactly what I'm doing. So give me a second. So this is the bundle that I used the 40 volume developer on, and for half, like I left it on for half the time that I used the other bundle on, and the color came out the same exact way. So I'm going to leave this on for like another 5 to 8 minutes, kind of like double the time, like the same amount of time that I used for the other bundle, the 30 volume developer. I'm going to leave this on for the same amount of time to see how much it actually lifts it. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover this back up, and yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and cover this back up and leave this for another 5 minutes or so. Don't judge me, I'm being a little sloppy right now, but it's okay. Yeah, I took this out at the same time, and this is the color that it turned. This is like a really pretty color, but I'm gonna leave it on a little bit longer just to see how blonde it can really get. I don't really need the hair to be like super blonde because I'm not dyeing it like a pastel color. I'm dyeing it a Cajun spice color, so this is good enough. But yeah, we're gonna leave that on for a little bit longer just to see how bright it gets. And then I think I'm going to do a video on that powder that I use versus BW2, just to see like the actual difference between the two. So it's a new day and we are back and ready to get this thing complete. So the reason why I waited an entirely new day is because you guys in my last video suggested that I should do the hair while it's dry, that I should water dye the hair while it is dry and not wet. So after bleaching the hair yesterday, I wanted to wait until the hair air dried to water dye the hair. So now we're here today and we're about to get this thing started. So I already have the water on the stove boiling. Another note you guys had left in my last video because I was confused. I was like, should I boil the water or just use really hot water from the sink? And majority of you guys said that it's best to boil the water, so I went with that. So don't get mad if you told me that I could just use water from the sink last time, because majority said it was water, so I'm boiling the water. I'm going to be coloring this hair this orangey spicy looking color. So the dye that I'm going to use is the Cajun Spice by Adore. To be on the safe side, I'm going to put enough water in here. Another thing you guys suggested, because I was going for more of a soft pastel type colors for my last video, and the purple came out like really dark. So someone has suggested that I should use more water and less of the dye. And if I want to go darker, then just add more dye. So I'm going to add enough water in here, not put a lot of dye this time, just to see how the color turns out. And if I want to go darker or harder, then I will. So I'm taking you guys notes, you know. So let's get started.